Shalom, shalom, shalom. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Chevelle in one of my grow rooms here. And I have several pups coming up on this neglected banana tree. It's like dead, really. And so the pups start coming up. And I have like really big ones. I'm going to have to up pot in their own pots, and then next time I won't just leave it out in the cold. I will just put it in the greenhouse, and they're growing so great. So I have like one, two, three. I think this is the biggest one. Three. This is the next biggest one. Four and five. So I have five banana pups that I have to up pot maybe next week, because it's supposed to be getting a little cold, a little light freeze Monday and Tuesday, just in the 40s. So I'll just wait to up pot them. And then, as you can remember, the blackberry, thornless blackberry I got from Walmart. I made a video on this one. And my elderberry tree is getting big. I'm gonna have to do some repotting next week. And even on my grape bush that I got from Walmart, it has premature grapes on it already. So yeah, I just thought to share that with you guys this morning. Shalom, happy gardening. And if you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and like and subscribe. There's more juicy content coming. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Shalom, be blessed, and happy gardening.